I'm sure there's somebody out there in the cyber world watching this. Opening day of the 2023 season.
It's about time JJ retired hurt. But don't forget, this is going to go into Niall's end of season stuff.
Job done, boys.
Who on Ronaldo?
I want to feature in the Pembroke Award. Favourite non-member.
Tuesday night, where the rain is coming down. But at the moment, we're trying to keep water off all this electrical equipment, so thanks very much for tuning in anyway. Looks like the umpires have finally had enough. They're wet enough. Well, he's gone big. Is it going to reach the rope? Yes, it is. It's 6. It's gone all the way. And that's it. He's in front. And he's given. And it's a famous Pembroke victory. He's been given out, and that's a hat-trick, and my goodness, what an introduction. And there it is. Oh, there's another one, and he's gone, and that's it, the innings is over. That's lovely. Gets to the end of the tunnel where he's met by his wife-to-be and his child Jack, and that's a very proud moment for a very proud daddy. Pembroke now championship champions. Here we go. There's the picture that won't be allowed in the book.